Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, please. So, in this very agitation, one thing is certain: we must get our own freedom, no matter what enemies does. We must get our own freedom. Just hit the like button and share. Very, very important. Hit the like button. It is a way of supporting this very channel and share this very program accordingly. So over the week, or nna oyibo adịghị mma n'ọnụ ka m hapụkwa iji oyibo kpọọ onwe m iyi iche na m na-ekwu ite. So General Gentle came out, box out, to give this particular message, to deliver this message to the Nigerian Janjaweed and to his haters and to Biafrans who love him. I think we should listen to General Gentle. This is only man that have suffered what nobody have suffered. The only person coming closer to what he have suffered in terms of attack, and the person greater than him is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Otherwise, no other person have suffered what Gentle have suffered. The only person that have suffered what Gentle have suffered is only Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in this very freedom. His children have been kidnapped. So he says something here, and I would want every Biafra man and woman to listen. He delivered it to the Fulani people. But I am begging, before I allow you to hear, General Gentle, please, I know that you have protected the land of Biafra, and you will continue to protect the land of Biafra. Bear with us our stupidity and keep Bazwa on Impromax. Do not condemn the stupidity of us, ordinary people. I must denounce Zuzu. And with that being said, General Gentle is a man that you must respect in this very freedom. Let us hear him, please. And after then, we will come back. Please pay very close attention.
Biafra does not belong to Nigeria, and we are not in Nigeria. Fight for Nigeria all alone. Do not tamper with Biafrans. If you do tamper with Biafrans, I will tell you that I am Gentle the Yahoo. Is not a Christian. I am not a Christian. That they're deceived by this word. If they slap you with this one, you turn the other one, they will slap you too. No, it can never happen. I'm a Jewish. I am a Judaism. I believe if you do me one, I gonna do you two. I gonna do you three. I gonna do you four. I gonna do you five. Don't fire you, fire your generation. Who is you? Who are you being the Fulanis? Don't fire you, fire your generation. Don't fire you there. Tamper with Biafrans, you see what you will collect. You will collect water. You will collect water, and you must collect water. Don't fire you, fire all those governors. All those Eastern governors that you have been using. You are bribed. Do you people think that you can bribe me? Hope you cannot bribe me. You ask me all sorts of things. You ask me a way that you used to buy a more tanker for me and all that, so that I'll become like a second Obu. Now, where is Obu? In also, Awo, Mama and Awo. Where is Obu? Obu is no more. Fuck you people there. You gonna be a ratty boy. Bumbo Clark, you gonna be a ratty boy. Fuck you there. I am a rascal boy in Biafra nation. I love my nation, I love my people, and my people love me. Those that doesn't love me is those that have collected bribe. I know there's no way they will love me. And the mapu begilon on ifina, me man ne bido begi. Hope tonda babuogi, the Arab babuogi. Tonda babuogi la Eastern.
So you just listen to General Gentle warning on don't tamper with Biafra people. Don't tamper with the Biafra people. Mandana agwagi uche. If those whom we are talking to have sense at all, they will listen to this voice of reasoning. Now, this particular video here is the video of Angel Makeup. For those who do not know this particular guy, Angel Makeup is a commander under General Gentle. He belongs to General Gentle's camp and General Gentle's boy. And J Makeup have come out to expose the Nigerian atrocities, how they plan to bomb Okigwe, bomb Biafra, bomb Imo State, bomb other parts of Biafra land, because they wanted this Fulani jihad to be in every room. They wanted this Fulani jihad to be on every door. They want to bomb our own people. That is the reason why NJMECOP have come out. For those of us, this is Biafra Liberation Army. For those of you who doesn't know, this is Biafra Liberation Army. Biafra Liberation Army is only loyal to the Biafra Republic government in exile. Not USB, because we used to watch them. This their frame, this their criminality is much. Every time they post the angel, even though the angel don't take their mouth to talk, we are not under you. They call them, oh, criminal, criminal. Why are you talking? You're supposed to keep quiet. Why shouldn't they talk? These very people have said, we are not under you. You are not giving us money. Stop posting us. But the criminals will say, oh, you're a criminal. You're a criminal. If you're not under us, that means you're a criminal. During the May Day, they showed us to some people. See, holy mountain, holy mountain, holy mountain. They go to another people. Kumwa, neme, left to right, na be madu, halle, hayam. They go to in the double banner in order to convince Biafra people that the USB recharge card of Tower Humanitarian Ndi Anaguara is original. When these men have come out, don't pirate us. We don't work with you. We don't know you. You said that you have opened your USB. Go and do your USB. Master Simon Ekpa is in detention. You are pirating Master Simon Ekpa. We that are here, we are not working with you. They said, oh, they are nonsense. They are criminal. Why are they talking? They are participating in the politics. They don't work with you. Stop posting them. Be proud to post your Ebobago. This is NJMECOP. And anywhere you go to in Biafra land, these are the men making things to happen. I just uncovered some of my attackers. Today, I uncovered one, not knowing that one is the DOS member. Hiding, you're a criminal, you're a criminal. You don't know? Imane just love to be a criminal. So it's today that you know that I'm a criminal. In fact, criminality runs in my vein. Can you now go and sit down? In fact, even if when you tell me that I shouldn't be a criminal again, I will go and become another criminal. Can you now go and rest? Or are you still looking for criminal? You think that I will tell you, oh, not me. Chineke pokwo n'ọkụ. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi. So I will just allow you to listen to NJMECOP, his speech to Biafra people, and we will be right back. Listen very, very attentively, please.
To the notice of the international communities, international leaders, bring to the notice of Finnish government, bring to the notice of Lati in Finland to understand that is currently war that is going on between the Biafra Liberation Army and the Nigerian army. Currently going on, and now they want to use Tucano fighter jets to come and destroy people's homes, to come and bombard communities, to come and destroy lives and properties. So I want the international and the local communities to understand what is currently going on in the land of Biafra, especially in Okigwe State. And I want to use this opportunity to call up the sons and the daughters of Okigwe to rise up to hope for them. It is time for the leaders of Okigwe, for the people of Okigwe to rise up against this Fulani terrorist Islamization agenda of hope for them in Imo State, in the old Imo State. So this information is what I want to pass to Biafrans so that you will understand what is currently going on. Please, if you are
living in the Okigwe axis, I want you to be careful, to be security conscious for now, especially isi ala mba anọ, ehime mba anọ, isi Nweke, Obowo, Onimo, and Okigwe. These areas has been mapped out for bombardment by Hope Uzodinma and the Nigerian Air Force. So be security conscious and guard your environment. Report to the Ever Liberation Army channel any criminality, any criminal movement of Fulanis or Nigerian Army. Just give us the report immediately. Greetings, consensus peoples of the world. My fellow Biafrans, I am here with a current information of what is going on in the land of Biafra, especially in old Imo State. As our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is strongly defeating the Nigerian terrorist government in their own courts, in their own law courts. And in the same way that Mazi Simeon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, are also defeating the Nigerian prosecutors in the Finland. So during all this victory on the side of Biafrans, the Nigerian federal government summoned the Southeast governors and some of their political leaders and they are currently in a meeting with Nigerian Air Force, and what they are discussing, bargaining there currently now is that on how they want to use Tucano jets, applying of Tucano jets, mixer. Because what is their problem? They have come in conclusion that the men of Biafra Liberation Army, the men of Biafra Defense Forces are dealing with them, destroying them on the ground. So now they want to apply on air. They want to come war, bring war, another war against the Okigwe people through air. And this information revealed that by next week, next week, a week from now, they will begin to the bombardment. So that's why I want to use this opportunity to bring.
You have just listened to Angel Makeup. Each time I remember these men and women paying the ultimate price just for our race, I grow goosebump. I personally, Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, will never forget you people. I will never forget. I will never forget. Holy Saint Gentle, I will never forget. The living saint. Gentle is a living saint. Saint Gentle, dear so. Yovarai, protect Varai, the land of Biafra. Angel Makeup, dear so. Protect Varai, the land of Biafra. Kediha, Angel Butuzo, the Archangel, dear so. Protect Varai, the land of Biafra. Ndị chọọchị unu feel na ụmụ ihe ọkwa na nke ikpeazụ a. These are the men making things to happen. Now, I haven't played that because in this very issue na awa ma ezigbo issue na akom gagaga as at the time m na-record this very program. Issue na akom ogele n'ishi. Now, o nwere one eze na South Africa. Eze nke sị na ya ọ bụ His Royal Highness Eze ndị Igbo na South Africa. When Mazi Simon Ekpa was around, I noticed that this man was a clone. Yes, due to the type of contour nako, I noticed that he was a clone. What they wear was notice me. You know, all of these criminals we are hiding at the early stage that we were protecting Madam Highway, Madam Mkpirmmiri, they were hiding, looking for who is controlling more than so that they will come out and join. All these criminals today supporting Madam Mkpurumiri, all of them we are hiding. Thinking, oh, I don't want to date myself. If I join these very people now, the other people might be the people going higher. So we don't want to participate in that. Let us stay this thing. They were hiding until I lova the ogo, lova ya nwava ogo, locha ya nwava ogo. Madam bịa nwere akụkọ. Maka nwoke locha ogo, ụmụ nwanyị nwere akụkọ. This okoko zuzupute, kponyopute. Today I want to bring to you the lies. He said that Vam Vam, Akparawa, Oge Nkere, we are all arrested, notice, investigated, that they stiff money or whatever. This is somebody's father. This man unakpọ Eze na South Africa, somebody's father, or fabricate ya modo pụta bịa kọ ọ na-ewu. I will never support anybody, any bloody liar. I don't care whatever that you like. Let your name be. I don't support bloody liars. This man, cuckoo, cock and bull story, pụtachie ụmụ Igbo, pụtachie ụmụ Biafra. He cuckoo, cock and bull story, just for viewing sake and to stay relevant. And fabricate. This is one of the people that fabricated Oge Nkere and pasted the picture, this picture that you are looking at, that it is Oge Nkere with the vice criminal of Nigeria. Photoshop. You see Photoshop. Anybody doing Photoshop have nothing to offer. That is where they have landed to. The same thing that the criminal DOS are doing, we are doing, or are doing. They have landed there. Let me play one of his propaganda and then put the pictures of his lies so that you can see. Please. So that you can see the type of liars that this man are. Please stay tuned. Let us listen very, very attentively and watch him rant, please.
Nkere called Azai Anya Ogo, Pastor Vam Vam and Akparawa for defrauding Biafrans millions of dollars. They investigated them and find that they stole a lot of money from the account of Biafra and refused to give Biafrans that money. So they have been arrested now. They're questioning them. They interrogated them now. And they warn those who are following them should quit because they are tracking your phone. If you know that you are following Oge Nkere, Pastor Vam Vam, Akparawa, please block your phone and quit because they are tracking you. They say that those who follows him are the people who spend that money. Don't find yourself in jail because right now you will never hear from them. Only thing you'll be hearing from Oge Nkere, Akparawa and Pastor Vam Vam is only their old video. Whatever they say is old video. Whatever they tell you is old video. They have been arrested just 1 hour ago. Interpol arrested them in Spain 1 hour ago. I don't know where they are going and where they are coming from, but they have been arrested in Spain just 1 hour ago. Be warned. Be warned. You won't say, I didn't tell you. God bless you if you listen. Congratulations, Biafrans. We will recover all our money from criminals. Call them acting prime minister. They are all criminals, evil and evildoers. Run for your life. They have been arrested. Congratulations, Biafra.
So my people, you just listen to the Okoko. Okoko nche na old age ve ịma ihe. nke a na-agụ ahịa. Congratulations, Biafran, Oge Nkere, Vam Vam Vam, Sani Akparawa, they were just arrested. How no ha cook rubbish and come out. Like you saw that picture that I put. That is the picture of Oge Nkere. They Photoshop it with, they remove somebody's that is their face and then added Oge Nkere there. The reason why I can never support Madam Miri's people is because of Photoshop and lies. If you support these very people, they can lie, they can Photoshop. These are the things and the DOS. Do you think that anybody doing Photoshopping have something to offer? Nothing. If you still belong to Photoshopping and lying machine government, you can go there and belong for all I care. Not Emmanuel or not Onyebuchi Ashiburobi place. Not Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. So in the other way, or in the other hands, this video that you are seeing, this particular video, I saw this very video. Somebody uploaded this particular video. It is very, very touchy. And the exposition this very person did here is very, very touchy. And I want you to listen. Please hit the like button and share. After watching this very video, please share. But before we go into this particular video, there is something that happened recently. There is something that happened recently. And that thing is, the people that most of you supported, you are supporting your own destruction. 7 months of Ghana. They will ask you, oh, but what have you done? What we have been able to do? I am under the Biafra Republic government in exile. They held the men. The men have come out many times to say, even recently, and Jamaica said it, they were attacking him. Come on, Gaga Nodinala. Anybody sowing money to the USB Tower humanitarian, and you will never recover any again. Just say that I'm telling you. Believing that somehow one now walk against your own freedom will do something for you. This is the same way people following DOS is believing that somehow they will do something for them. There is nothing different between you and DOS criminals. Did you know that somebody in this very agitation, supporting this very agitation, turned back to backstab Mazi Simon Ekpa? That person went to Finland to testify against Mazi Simon Ekpa. And in fact, I will put his very picture. Let me put his picture, please. So you see this Akparawa and Oge that you see here, that I put his picture here. This Akparawa and Oge went to testify against Mazi Simon Ekpa after shouting, oh, we are whiter than white. He went to Finland to testify against Mazi Simon Ekpa. Most of the people that you people are supporting, this deceiving you people here, oh, we are USB in the recharge card. What have your USB, the useless USB, been able to do for you? Most of you people coming here to talk rubbish. Oh, but you supported Finland to go there and declare Biafra. Did I support after declaring Biafra? I supported after declaring Biafra for us to defend our territory. That is what I supported. Now, have you been able to defend that your territory? When you say you declare Biafra, what is she doing? Nothing. The only thing that they will then, during this May Day, they showed you people wearing rag and have their own security. And after the May Day, they begin to tweet Biafra Liberation Army that have consistently distanced themselves. In fact, in one of the battlefield that they had in Arondizog, they said it was Ngozi or this Halimatu Abubakar, Irat, Ebubago recruited, that came to fight them. Which Halimatu Abubakar have claimed that she is working with a caterpillar. Is there anything very strong for you to understand? What have she been able to do? Nothing. One thing that you know Onyebuchi Ashiburobi for is that no matter how your cry reach here, I go nowhere. I stand like Rock of Gibraltar. I'm not like those people that you pay 1 naira, 2 naira. Izuzue uzuo nkere gị mmụọ. Gị na mmụọ jee. I am Onyebuchi Ashigburobi, and I will stop here, please. Share this very particular program. Watch the exposition of this very man. I just love it. But I do not listen to the video till the end. I don't know if you know most of these very people on social media. Most of them are not to be trusted. I did not listen to it till the end, but I will play it for you. I just love the beginning. I don't know whom he is. If the program interests you, if the exposition interests you, just hit the like button and share, please.